Hi guys, Reviews for You is here, back with another review for you. This review is for the Intelligent Battery Charger from Etekcity. It is designed for your nickel metal halide and your nickel cadmium batteries only. And it'll do the AA or the AAA size batteries. It comes here in the package. You get this eTech Citizen card. They'd like you to join their program so that you can write reviews for them, and they give you free products in exchange for that. Hopefully I can get this QR code up here for you guys. I'm a little shaky, so I don't know if you'll be able to pause that on that and scan that or not, but you can also go to etekcitizen.com, which is right there for you guys. Really nice, simple. Write them a product review. Honest, guys. It comes with this wall charger here, as you can see here off to the left, and it comes with obviously the pin connector on the end, which simply goes into the back of the unit like so. It is a backlit display. It will do up to 4 batteries at a time, either AA or AAA. It doesn't matter. And there's 5 different modes for this charger. You can do, I'll go over those here for you guys. You can do a straight charge here. You can do a charge test, a quick test, a discharge refresh, or a discharge on the battery itself. Which is really nice. One thing I really like is with this discharge refresh feature, if you do it several times in a row, I've actually been able to take this AA battery that I have here, it's 2450 milliamp hours, and I've been able to bring it back to about 75% of its original life. It was very bad condition when I started. This charger will do up to a total of 20,000 milliamp hours across the 4 ports, as you can see. And you can do up to 1,000 milliamp hour charge on each of these ports. But if you simultaneously, you can only do a maximum of 700 per port if you're charging 4 batteries at the same time. If you're using slots 1 or slot 4, you can do 1,000 milliamp hour charge on each of those ports. But like I said, across, if you're charging 4 batteries at the same time, you can only do a maximum of 700 across the 4, which is great. I'm just going to give this a quick plug in here for you guys so you can see. It is a backlit. It comes on there for you guys. Hopefully you can see this. And right now, of course, it's saying null because there's no batteries in it, obviously. So what you do here is a quick demo. I'm just going to take this battery that I have here. Negative side, positive sides up on all of them. Simply just put your battery in. It will tell you the voltage right off the hop, and then as soon as that starts to flash, that's when you switch your mode. As you can see, the charge, discharge, refresh, charge test, and a quick test. The manual explains everything. And then you swiftly, if you want to switch your current, like I said, you can go up to 1,000 if you're in slot 1 or 4, and then once you leave it, and it stops flashing in about a second or so, it'll start the charge cycle. It does have 5 different display modes as well. You can hit the display at any time and it'll show the display across. Charging at 1,000, I'm putting 1.3 volts into it, and so far over the elapsed time I've put in 4 milliamp hours back into this battery as a charge. And here it says hours, but obviously hours is the first digit and minutes there. Tells you your elapsed time that you've actually charged for as well. Really, really nice. And then obviously the milliamp rate, because I had set it at 1,000, I'm putting 997, 998, whatever, back into it. So really informative charger, really, really nice. And like I said, you can charge 4 different simultaneous different charge modes as well. Like I'm doing a charge on the first one. I simply pop this battery into the second, shows you the voltage, and then once that starts to flash, you select your modes. Like see, if I wanted to do a discharge on this one, I just leave it. I can also set the discharge current rate. Excuse me. We'll stick it there at 500. And once it stops flashing, I can go ahead and I can stick a 3rd battery in and just continue down the line. It shows you the 1.35 volts. You wait for it to flash. You switch into your mode. Let's do a discharge refresh on this one, and let's change it to 400. Excuse me, sorry, I'm a little bit dry in the throat today. And then once it is ready to do its procedure that you set it for, it stops flashing. Now, if at any time you want to do the exact same thing across all 4 batteries, you simply push and you hold your mode button and all 4 will flash like so, and then you simply just, as you can see, all 4 things in the display there are changing simultaneously. And here, let's just do a quick test. Where's the quick test? There it is. And you just leave it until it stops flashing. Takes a couple seconds. And that's how you do it simultaneously on all 4. And it tells you your number. You know you have good batteries if it's between 20 and 80. So all 3 of these batteries that are in here are still in really good standing, and so you wouldn't have to do your refresh discharge on them at all. Very nice battery charger from Etekcity. It is the intelligent battery charger. Like I said, it is for your nickel cadmium and nickel metal halide batteries only. The manual that comes with it, very descriptive. It's double-sided, tells you everything you need to know, explains all 5 of the different charge methods and stuff for you. Highly recommended. This has been a review for the Etekcity Premium Intelligent Battery Charger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.